In the today's video, we will see how to create superscript in MS Excel. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. As you can see, I have added superscript here. I am deleting it. To add superscript, there are multiple ways. First way is I am writing A and 2 here. So first I am selecting these two and right click. Go to format cell and here we have one option as a superscript. Select it and click on OK. So see friends, here our superscript created. If you want another option, so again I am A and 3 I am typing right now, and now just I am selecting these 3, and in the font this drop down I am opening, and here we have one option as a superscript. Again same pop-up opened and click on OK. So see friends, A raised to 3 also we have. So if you want this for all the other cells, select it and drag it like this. So A raised to 4, A raised to 5, in the series we got all the superscript. If you don't want this, just select it, and here we have one option, click on it and just select copy, so that only that superscript only selected that you have created. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.